Last time you saw us, we'd finished exploring Porto and said goodbye to our good friends on Wamba. We had a rolly seasick sail and arrived in Averos. Time passed really quickly on anchor, doing not very much, and it's almost time to move on again.
Unfortunately, it's a romantic dinner for one tonight. Bryn's still sleeping. I don't really want to wake him up because he's been poorly. If he's lucky, I'll save him a little bit. We'll see. Time to move. 7 AM. So we've had a very lovely chilled anchor here in Averos. But yeah, we're ready to move now. I think we're going to Figueira del Foz.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go get ready. It's cold. It's cold. We have the heating on, but I'm gonna turn it off now. It's going outside anyway. Let's make a move.
Let's get ready. Oh shit.
I'm literally just having a bowl of cornflakes, and there's like, hey, there's like 20 odd dolphins around us.
There's more than 20. I can see
Oh
more
my
ahead.
god, this is incredible.
Oh my god.
It's been an extremely uneventful 7-hour journey. Engines on, well, the engines have been on the whole way pretty much. The wind was forecast to be between 10 and 15 knots today, and it's 4 knots. It's been consistently under 5 knots, so but yeah, it's looking pretty cool.
I missed it. Can you hook it on? Nah. Okay, I'll come back. It's alright. I'm just gonna do another loop. I'm gonna go round. Perfect.
We're all settled in now to Figueira del Foz, I think. Is that right?
Yeah, that's the we show the wounds.
That was Bryn actually as well.
That was me.
me.
No, that was me.
I tried driving it, and I'm obviously not as experienced as Bryn, so I completely faffed it, and then Bryn did it, and he took loads of attempts to get in as well, and ended up scratching the side.
Took like 5
Took
attempts.
like 5 attempts. It was an absolute disaster, but we're here now. We had a little chat with this guy earlier. Really, really lovely family. Also, what a trek to the shower and toilets.
This is like...
So we've walked all the way from down there,
right down the bottom.
right all the way up here, and then we've got to come out this gate and walk all the way back round, and the marina office is just there. Making you work for your hygiene here.
Yeah. Getting that exercise.
Yeah.
We are heading out for a little trek today. We've got the whole day in this place, so we're going to go and have a little explore.
Yeah.
Jade has dressed sensibly for the occasion.
Yes, I'm covering my sunburned thighs.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It should be really good. This fog in this place, it makes it seem very ominous. But we're just going to go and check out what the sea looks like and see if we made a good choice to not go sailing today. So this is starting to look like we're just going to some weird place in the middle of the desert. So many tents. And yet we just can't seem to see the sea. I don't fancy a swim in that. I think we made the right choice.
We just want to take a moment to say thank you so much to everybody that's supported us so far. Watching, commenting, liking, buying us coffees, we appreciate it so much. At the time of making this video, we just reached 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we've now actually just reached over 6,500 subscribers. So thank you all so much, and we hope that you enjoy our adventures and videos as much as we enjoy making them. So we're just having a little coffee and uploading our next video.
Literally, well, firstly, I wanted to update the Tiller pilot. So we've downloaded the update, and yeah, just checking on social like stuff and chatting to family and yeah.
Pinching the Wi-Fi.
Pinching the Wi-Fi. So, I've just took out the log just to give it a clean. Basically, if you don't take this thing out every couple of weeks, you can guarantee that it will not be giving you an accurate reading, just because they get growth on them.
How dirty was it?
I don't know whether you can have a look here. It's not too bad, just some little bits on it. So I'm just going to give it a wipe over and go over it.
I don't look too bad.
No, don't too bad, but that's because we clean it. Like, if you don't clean it, these can get really bad. But yeah, I'll just give it a wipe, and I've got a little toothbrush that I clean it with.
Awesome.
Yep.
Not my toothbrush, I hope.
Yeah, yours? The electric one.
We've also got some citronella candles lit because I've been getting bit really bad, which has not been fun. And we are actually leaving the marina tomorrow. Oh my god, that is so cool. Look, 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 look.
You set my world on
do justice as to how rolling these waves are. But trying to cook down below, not happening. Even making a sandwich is flipping
An absolute
a
nightmare.
feat of nature. I don't think we'll ever get sick of seeing dolphins, will we, ever?
No.
How incredible was that?
That was amazing.
So, there's obviously not much to do really when you're out on watch here. The fog's clearing, which is awesome. But yeah, just pretty much just thinking, just feeling really, really lucky to be here, to be honest. I think a lot of people, you know, well, some people might not appreciate kind of how hard it has been for us to get here. The fact that we have had to come with basically no savings, no jobs really, and it's been a gamble and a lot of people wouldn't do it, which is fair enough, but we were willing to take the chance and just see what happens. And do you know what, we're out here, we're in the sea, we've got full bellies, our home's with us, so I think we're doing fine. We've just ignored all the dates we had, ignored all the kind of negativity we've had from some people, and you know, the criticism of our plans, mentioning our lack of experience and things like that, and which are all valid points. But you know, I think sometimes you just got to go with your gut, haven't you? You just got to go with what feels right for you, regardless of what everyone else says. And that's how some of the best adventures, you know, that people read about happened, from people taking chances and from people just doing it, just having a go, just learning as they go, and not letting anything stop them. And I think that's definitely how our adventure has started, and I just can't wait to see what happens. I'm just sat out here in the flipping Atlantic. What am I doing here? How am I here? I just think this is the safest way for me to cook mushrooms.
It is, I think it is.
Well, this way, you know, I'm not getting seasick, I'm not down there rolling about. Don't have to cut my finger off with a knife.
Beautiful. Land has just come into sight over here. I just thought I'd like kind of go over why we haven't been sailing as much as we'd like. And the reason being is that we're kind of trying to stay to daylight hours. So this trip that we've just come on has taken us more or less 13 hours, and we're still not there yet. We ain't gonna get there till 7:30. And for us to take the gamble on the sailing, like for majority of this journey today, the winds were between 1 knot of wind and 10, which really we wouldn't be making any progress. And even now we've only got about 11 knots of wind, which we probably can sail in, but the problem is we probably wouldn't sail fast enough to kind of get us where we want to get during daytime hours. So that's kind of the problem we've been having with going down this Portuguese coast, is we want to get to the next place during daytime, and the reason for that is mainly because of all the fishing pots, and you just can't see them at night. We can see them on radar, but it's still a gamble whether there's some that are going to turn up that just don't crop up. So rather than take the gamble, we thought we'd just do daytime hours. But yeah, so it makes it kind of hard when you're trying to sail. We haven't managed to do it just yet. Either the winds have been way too much, or kind of how they've been today. So yeah, I hope that kind of like answers some questions maybe as to why they're not sailing. And it's just because we're trying to get to places for a certain time, which we never really wanted to do. But I think it's only until we get into the Mediterranean anyway, or at least it's only on this coast while there's so many fishing pots about. So yeah, I hope that answered the questions for you.
So as we're rounding this this headland here, we've suddenly picked up to like 17 knots. So the sail is up, which is nice. Still to come, We spent 5 nights at anchor here in Peniche without even leaving the boat. Though it definitely wasn't planned, we made the most of it. So join us as we show you what life is really like living on the hook.